Okay, you see how cool that thing is right there, the Macau Tower? So we're actually over, oh, it just changes colors too. Blue to red to white, yellow. What is that? Pink? It looks different in camera than it does in the, it's pink in the camera. Anyways, we're gonna go be checking out all this stuff, and we're gonna be checking out the other side over there too. There's the overpass. I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. There's a lot of construction right here. So there's like a little way to walk over towards the tower, but there's so much construction, and you have to kind of walk in the street that way, or you can go down, but they have these cones here, and there I can see some security guards down there, but there's people walking it as well. So I don't know if I'll walk down that way as well, but there's like construction here. There's the tower, but you can see all this kind of walkway that's kind of there, and people are kind of walking it, but there's also a lot of construction as well. This is a little hill right here, and that one's called Peña, so there's a church up on top. And then you can also see Grand Lisboa, Wynn Casino, MGM Casino, Star World is the blue one with the yellow star dust, and that's the Macau Tower. And this is called, this one's Nam Van Lake. I think the other one's Nam Van Lake. There's two lakes, there's a lake there and a lake here. So that one over there is called Nam Van. And then this one, Savan, maybe? Something like that. Not 100% sure. And I think what we're gonna try to do, there's an overpass where cars go by. And I think what I wanna do is I wanna see if I can walk up on top. There's a walking pass that I think we can do. So we're gonna walk that way, and just so that you kind of have a view of something while we do that. I'll kind of try to show some of that, and then when we get something interesting, like this viney thing is interesting. And then this crane is definitely interesting. It looks like you could climb in it. It's kind of sitting there. All kinds of construction here. I think we can walk. We just kind of see. Generally you can walk up that way. I think we can, yeah. So we're gonna try, because I want to get both views. But yeah. So now you can see Macau Tower through this overpass. We're gonna keep on walking. We're gonna see how far we can get. So I think we can get right there's a little stairwell that goes up, so we're gonna try to do that. Wish us luck. You can see some of the bridges. So yeah, this right here goes over this, there's like highways that go around here, and there's a road that goes underneath this too. So we're gonna be able to see both from up above and under in a minute. So hang tight. It's me, my feet. Now we're up here, good. So there's the overpass up there. Lots of cars in here. And then we kind of have this little Z-shaped thing. So you kind of just keep, and there's our Macau Tower right there. Then you have a bus and a car and another bus and another car that's going that way. And then you have some two high buildings over there. Here goes our bus. And there's also some lightning tonight too, which is kind of cool. And now, to the bus. And now we can overlook this bridge. This bridge connects, they call this Bara, where we're at. Bara is part of the Macau Peninsula. And then over here is Taipa, so you can see the Taipa skyline. And then over there is China, the other bright lights that are way in the distance over there, but this big one over here is all Taipa, which is part of Macau. And let's go down and check stuff out. So down here you have a park. You can hear people playing basketball in here. Not quite light enough to hear it adequately, but that's what they're doing. So nice tables to sit at. It's September 1st as I'm filming this particular video. So the you know, the hot weather is still there, but it's going to be cooling off soon. I don't know why these are damaged, but they are. So anyways, let's just kind of check this stuff out. Basketball. Let's go over here under the bridge and check this out too. So yeah, this bridge is basically cars, but they're also going to build a train line that's going to connect the Taipa side to the Macau side, so people can take I think it's called a monorail. It's pretty cool. And that's our park. Oh, and up there's our Macau tower, so let's get back to that, and maybe we'll conclude it for that, and then we'll probably do another video where we reverse the whole way. There's our Macau tower. And there's our bridge. Okay, hope you like this one. Chiquinha.